Hi everybody, tonight I will show you how to do an adult slipper on the SENTRO 48 needle. First we will cast on the machine by going one in the front, one in the back for the first row, starting by the white needle. So I go in front and back, in front and back for the first row. So we need 5 rows of waste yarn. What is waste yarn? The yarn that will help to close our tube at the end. So don't worry, you will see how to close it. So I did the first row, put that in the yarn feeder, and then I will crank for 5 rows. When I got the 5 rows, I will put that in the middle, and I will continue with my working yarn, my project yarn, put that in the tension gadget, put that in the loose mode, and then I will crank for 54 rows. 54 rows. Put that in your notebook. So I will crank it there, put it faster. I like the color. So it's time to cut it and put it in the middle and come back with the waste yarn, and we will do 5 rows like this till it came off of the machine. It's the cast off time, and you will see that sometimes it's not working correctly. When it casts off, usually it's removed by itself, but this time it gets stuck. So it will be okay. I just have to work a little bit harder with my loom hook to remove all the stitches that get stuck. It's okay, it still works. I'm not worried about it, but I'm sure some of you guys have experienced that before, so no problem. Just make sure you go slowly, don't pull too much, because you want the waste yarn to stay on your work to be able to close it perfectly at the end. So put the machine aside for now, and I will stretch my tube, and then I make sure that one tail of yarn will be on one side, and with a hook number 5 I will go and close my tube. To close it, I will go get the orange one in the middle and get in one stitch, get one side, get the other side, and you will be avoiding all the gray color. All you need is the autumn color, not the gray color. So I go one side and grab the other side. I would put that a little bit faster because I think you get it. And if you have problem with it, I will add a video how to close tube in the video description, so you will get 5 ways to close the tube. If you're not comfortable with the hook, I have a technique with a wool needle there. So continue like this there, and I will slow down when I get to the end. So you will close this side like this and the other side of the tube the same way. I will not show it in the video because it will take time, and I try to get the video not too long, especially when it's slippers. There. So this video is 8 minutes. If you have any question, you could ask it in the comment. Sorry. So I continue. I slow down when I arrive here, and I will take the tail of yarn to close my rows to end it. Make sure you get all the stitches to prevent drop stitch. There, I did the last stitch. Now I have to find the little knot, remove it, and pull the first row. That was the cast on row, so I'll have to remove it with my hook or my finger. It's up to you. You choose the way you're more comfortable with. So you remove the first row, and when you remove the first row, you'll be able to roll your yarn and keep it for another project. Waste yarn is always nice to keep on your table, always ready. So this part is done. I check if I miss any stitches, drop stitch, and I will close this side. There. So this side is closed. Now it's time to get my hook number 5, turn the yarn like this, and I will chain 90 stitch for the slippers, the cord. So we just go single crochet like this, and then I arrive to 90. Well, close it like this, and I will go put that on the wool needle and go around my slippers. Go like this. I will jump every 2 stitch. And as you could see, I'm not very far off the edge. See? Every 2 stitch I will pick it and keep the same. Every 2, like this, and 2. Keep going. I tried it on my husband and it fit size 9 man. So maybe it's size 11, 9 to 11 for women. I will check, make sure, but 9 for men, 9 to 10 maybe for men could be nice. But for ladies, it may be taller, maybe 11. We'll have to check the size, shoe size for men and women. So I try my little feet in it, not feet little, but so I will go around it like this, do a little bow, and voila. Hope you enjoyed this little video. See you next week for a new one, a free video. Sometimes it's trick and tip, and sometimes it's pattern. So see you next week.